So in this video, I'm going to get on that bike right there, and I'm going to pedal about 16 miles, and we are going to fish a section of New York waterway that I've never seen before. So if you don't have anything better to do, and you want to go for a bike ride, do a little fishing, hang out with yours truly, well then this is the video for you. Well, my friends, time flies when you're having fun. I've been fishing now for a couple hours, and I didn't even get a bite. And now I'm hungry, and I don't have any fish for my fish tacos. So it looks like it's going to be fish tacos without the fish. I hope you guys don't mind quinoa. Well, there's one left for you if you want to come and get it.